Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this magical hair mask recipe. This hair mask will help to grow your hair really long, strong and healthy. This hair mask will tame all your frizzy hair, remove the dandruff, as well as treat hair fall and hair loss problem. So this hair mask has fenugreek as its main ingredient, and fenugreek is an excellent ingredient to grow your hair really strong and long, and it also promotes extreme hair growth. So if you want to grow really long and strong hair, then you should really try this home remedy. So now without further ado, let's see what are the ingredients we need to prepare this hair mask. So the first ingredient which we need is fenugreek seeds. Then we are gonna need olive oil. Then we're gonna need castor oil, and lastly we're gonna need lemon. But lemon is totally optional. If you don't want to add the lemon into your hair mask, then you can totally skip it. Lemon really helps in removing the dandruff from your scalp and just removes all the itchiness from your scalp. So if you have itchy scalp, then you should add the lemon, but if you don't have, then you should totally skip it. So firstly we have to take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a clean bowl. After that we have to add a little bit of water into it so that the fenugreek seeds soak properly. And after that we have to leave it overnight so that the fenugreek seeds could double up and they become really soft and mushy. And when in the morning you will see them, it will look something like this. The fenugreek seeds will be double in size and they will be really soaked up and really fluffy and mushy. So now we'll just put all the fenugreek seeds in a blending or a grinding jar, and we will blend it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after grinding it really nicely, your homemade fenugreek seed paste is ready, and it will look something like this. This paste will be really thick in consistency like I'm showing you in the video. So now let's prepare the hair pack with this fenugreek paste. So firstly we'll take 3 to 4 tablespoons of fenugreek paste in a clean bowl. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of castor oil into it. After that we'll add 2 teaspoons of olive oil into it. And after adding the olive oil, we'll just give a good mix to all these 3 ingredients so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And now lastly I'm adding few drops of lemon juice into it, but lemon is totally optional. If you don't want to add the lemon into your hair mask, then you can totally skip it. And after adding the lemon, just again mix all the ingredients really nicely so that it forms a really nice and a smooth paste. After mixing all the ingredients, your homemade fenugreek hair mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This hair mask will be a slight thick in consistency because it will be easier to just apply it onto your hair, and you can use a hairbrush to apply this hair mask, or you can even use your fingers to apply it nicely and evenly onto your hair. And after applying this pack all of your roots as well as on your hair length, just leave it like that for about half an hour, and after half an hour just shampoo and condition your hair as you normally do. So fenugreek hair mask is a highly beneficial hair mask to grow your hair really long, strong and healthy. It just extremely grows your hair really strong, as well as removes all the dandruff, itchiness, and also treats hair fall and hair loss problem. So if you really want to grow long and strong hair, then you should definitely try this hair mask. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.